Throat cancer. Introduction. The throat is a hollow tube that starts behind the nose. Select true or false. Correct. The throat ends at the top of the trachea or windpipe and the esophagus. Are all tumors cancerous? Select yes or no. Correct. Only malignant tumors are cancerous. These tumors have the potential to invade other tissues. Benign tumors are not cancerous. If you have a risk factor for throat cancer, does this mean you will get throat cancer? Select yes or no. Correct. Having a risk factor for throat cancer increases the chance of developing this cancer. It does not mean the person will develop the cancer. Joel smokes cigarettes and drinks a lot of alcohol. He has noticed a lump in his neck and has problems swallowing. He also has a cough and some ear pain. Should Joel contact his healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Joel should contact his healthcare provider. Is stage 1 cancer more advanced than stage 4? Select yes or no. Correct. Stage 1 cancer is less advanced than stage 4. This means it is usually more treatable. Surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, and targeted therapy may be used in combination to treat throat cancer. Select true or false. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.